Hey,
Hello, lady.
Do you have a Price Plus card? Thank you.
I like your store and your face holes.
Oh, you're sweet.
Can I please have a make your pants?
Oh, shucks, 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 shucks. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, 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 oh boy, okay. Wait a minute. What is that? We don't sell old-timey robots.
I'm Bill from Old-Timey Robot Railroad Company. Here's my Price Plus card. Please place broccoli plus store plus universe in bag, please.
Oh, come on! Damn it, you're letting everyone in front of you!
Okay. Ouch. Hey. Please stop. Wait. No. Ouch. Please stop. Shirt, please. Shirt. Please, thanks.